So unfortunately, SPG had to jump. But cheers, he sent me a message on that one. He'll be back next week. But this article and video, I was drawn into. I sat and watched the whole 20-minute YouTube video. This AI model is created. Its code name is Diamond. And the idea of the model is it's watched 87 hours of Counter Strike gameplay. And what it did was it transformed a an area and a player responsive feedback which created Counter-Strike Global Offensive at 10 FPS on an Nvidia RTX 3090. So to me, this is pushing the boundaries. This is new stuff. Just last month on the download, we were talking about Doom being recreated, the N64 version, on AI. But it was not player input, it was just video. Now we're seeing player responsive input. You can switch weapons, you can turn around, you can jump up and down. I mean, we are quickly getting to a place where AI is developing games, and we have gone from a video to a playable model in a month. Where do you think we're going? Do you think this is good or bad for the industry? And when are we starting our first AI gaming publisher?
I was thinking, you know, like this is trained on, as you say, 80 hours of gameplay footage of Counter-Strike.
Right.
Imagine like 10, 20 years from now, we watch a trailer for Grand Theft Auto 7, and then we tell our graphics cards like, yeah, I want to play that. So it just generates GTA 7 just from the trailer. That would be
That
hilarious.
trailers will be outlawed to then. It'll be
Yeah.
even more locked down than we are now. It'll be impossible to see anything before the game is released.
Yeah.
Because you're right.
And when you watch Assassin's Creed trailer, your PC gets a virus and dies. So I just had to throw that in there.
No, I think Assassin's Creed currently, or anything Ubisoft based, would be the one series it might actually make better, whereas everything else, it's just. I apologize for the language, but this is a technical terminology. It's just the enshittification of everything. Like, why does it need to recreate Counter-Strike when Counter-Strike exists? Why does it need to be making this artwork when it could be curing cancer, sort of thing? But yeah, Assassin's Creed, with how bad Ubisoft are, that could work.
Yes, I'm sure AI is. I would hope people are putting money into AI to do certain things of that nature. And I don't have a like medical podcast to keep on top of AI, but I'm sure they're doing the right things. But at the same time, there is always going to be money in entertainment, in arts, and I think this is going to not replace human made games. If anything, it'll create a space where human made games are more artisan, are more valued, because I think we're going to be hit with a flush of AI games in 5 years. We could be having games for any genre, anything we want to play at the click of a button. Because what I've seen in the past month, just following AI in gaming, is already a massive step. And I think it's just going to get that much exponentially faster moving forward. Like, this is all generated on AI that we're watching right now, and it's all player responsive feedback. It's
You
crazy.
can tell.
You can tell, yeah, because AI, and this is the trippy high part of me saying this right now, but watching this, it feels like when AI is thinking something up, it looks like you're in a dream. And then that got me thinking, is my brain AI? Why does it think it's a dream? Like, why do those two things look so similar? So that kind of freaks me out that my brain's AI. But
Worry about your brain on occasion. Like, thoughts like that are, you're just you're actual intelligence. You're not artificial.
am I? Am I Doragon? Or am I just AI who thinks it's independent?
Look, we aren't that advanced. You'd have 27 fingers and they'd all have 12 knuckles if you were AI.
I don't know. I don't know because
Just
when I
like his
dream,
dreams.
it's like AI buffering in the game, and like they just look so similar. And then I think to myself, how much do I actually know? Anyway, somebody has to stop me on this rant and comment. So, would you play an AI game? How far away do you think we are from this? Maker, you want to jump in on this topic and stop me from rambling?
Um, I think companies are just going to continue to evolve the AI and try and use it to save money. And I mean, that's what they do.
You're not wrong there. Wherever the money is, they will follow. That's for sure. So we will keep you updated on whether or not my brain is AI or not. We'll be jumping into that every single week. So don't you worry about that one.